In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Help Center and support tools in Stack, a cloud-based construction software solution. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, knowing how to navigate these features can significantly enhance your experience and efficiency. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Stack website. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for Stack cloud-based solutions. Once the page loads, you'll notice a variety of options that cater to different aspects of construction management. But for today, our focus is on accessing the help and support features. When you arrive on the site, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top of the page on the right-hand side. Clicking this button will prompt you to log in. It's a crucial step if you want to access all the available tools and resources. Take a moment to ensure you have your login credentials handy. If you have your credentials ready, select the appropriate login option. Some of you might prefer using the Google login method for added convenience. Now, once you have successfully logged into Stack, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage your projects. Look for an area typically labeled as Takeoff and Estimate. Clicking this will lead you into the specific section where you can work on detailed tasks related to your projects. From this point, you're close to accessing the help resources. In the top right corner of your screen, you should see a small question mark icon. This is the help icon and serves as your gateway to a plethora of information and support. Click that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Online Help Center. Selecting this will open the Help Center, which is your go-to resource whenever you need guidance or support. Here you'll find comprehensive answers to common questions, as well as detailed articles that cover almost every aspect of using the Stack platform. It's an invaluable tool for troubleshooting issues or simply learning more about the functionality that Stack offers. The Help Center is regularly updated, ensuring that the information you access is current and reliable. Whether you're troubleshooting a particular function or just looking to expand your knowledge, the Help Center is always available to provide you with the information you need. And there you have it, a straightforward method to engage with the help and support tools in Stack. By following these steps, you're better equipped to navigate the platform efficiently, ensuring you can make the most out of Stack's powerful features. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial beneficial.